Alright, so what's up everybody and welcome back to another video on this channel, and today it's time for another photography session, and today we will use the Canon EOS R5 with the RF35mm 1.8, and I use a small tripod just in case if I need to use it. So yeah, we will take some macro shots, some leaf shots, and yeah, hopefully we can get some good shots, but I see a lot of potential things here, so let's give it a try. Oh, this one looks really nice. Let's get there. Let me look at that. And that is looking beautiful. So let's see what we can find back there. But the first one was already really good. Maybe let's try this one here. Oh, with this one here. Nice. So we got this one. And of course, as always, we will take a photo of this one here. A few things changed here, so I thought, let's give it another try. So a good tip is always to use a fast shutter speed, because if you take photos handheld and in macro shots, you will notice all kind of small movements in your pictures, and that's why I highly recommend to use a fast shutter speed to avoid this little shakiness in your images. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, that's looking beautiful here, with the small white spots here. So let's try to capture these. Let's try to get this one here. Oh yeah, that's looking beautiful. Look at these details, they are so great. So a few people ask me how I come up with compositions and all kind of stuff like that. And here I just need to say, in most cases I don't really think that much about composition. In most cases I try to just get the good shot. So try to focus it, and then I play around with all kind of angles until I'm happy with the result. And then I take a shot. In most cases what I highly recommend is to just get out there, take photos and practice. That's it. And the nature is perfect for some practice, because in most cases it's not so hard to find some good spots like this one here. In most cases you get less good shots if you think too much about the composition or stuff like that. Let's try to capture some water drops here. I think these are a couple of good shots, and today the weather is beautiful. You can even see the moon up there. Let's test something. Maybe we can take a good shot of it. So what I want to try is to take a photo of the moon with my 70-200. I think this result is really good. And I never tried to take a photo of the moon, so this was my first try. And I think that's a success. Let's go in this direction. Oh, some more water drops. That is looking nice. That is looking beautiful. How close can we get? Oh, that is looking beautiful. And by the way, if you have any ideas, so what should I try next and all kind of stuff, any topics or street photography, if you want to see some product photography, write it down in the comments. That would be really interesting to know, so I can make these kind of videos for you guys. But one of the next things I definitely want to do is to go in our wild park. This will be in January, hopefully. And then I'll try to take some nice pictures of some animals. I think that's a great idea. Alright, so yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.